So everybody, I'm going to make a video on my Arvin space heater. It's pretty cool. It's kind of like a buttered color, and it's got like trim. Just a simple on-off switch, which I think is cool because on the bottom it's just a lever that goes to a regular light switch. According to this heater is a model 23A. Can't really read that, but it's April 11th of 1947. Columbus, Indiana. Use only on 50 to 60, 11.5 amps or cycles, AC current, 1320 watts at 100 to 120 volts, 215 volts, patent, blah, 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 blah. Alright. But it's pretty cool. It's got some pretty heavy-duty feet there. Simple on and off. And the cool thing is, it takes a light bulb on the inside, so it lights up. Pretty quiet, works pretty well. Puts out a good amount of heat for its size. Off and on. Alright everybody, thank you for viewing my Arvin space heater.